Annual Program Part 6. Breakdown of the competitive season mesocycles. During the competitive period of the mesocycle, my athlete is in season at this point. Our goal is to perform maintenance work while in season. Strength and conditioning training will be continued, as well as high-intensity on-court training. The high-intensity on-court training will consist of 2 to 3 hitting sessions per week to maintain performance and perfect any technique errors or perfect any strokes. It is vital for the coach to be motivational to my player, as well as my player learning to motivate herself. This is an important skill to work on during each hitting session to overcome the psychological battle during match play. The strength and conditioning training used during season is to prevent injury and continue to develop the proper mechanics of the strokes and the serve. Our goal is to continue enhancing my players' movement and physical performance. We will focus on bilateral training, which is total body strength, and it is the base for power development, force production, and endurance. Rotational and anti-rotational movements are movements that are continuously performed during tennis. So these are very vital for her to work on as well. Force expression will be necessary for my player to apply to her game and become more dynamic on the court. So the only way you can have more force expression when you're playing is to be able to handle more force that is coming at you. For example, when you are playing opponents who are on the same level as you or better, you have to be able to handle more force coming at you and also generate more power towards them. So this part is very important. Unilateral training will be included, being that many movements will require the ability of my player to push off from one leg to hit in a wide stance. So the movement of side to side, a lot of times you're pushing off of one leg to start moving, and then you are in a position of a wide stance. Multi-directional speed is critical for my player to dominate in matches, so this will be included during the high aerobic capacity of her training. So the multi-directional speed that would be moving forward, running back, side to side, when you're having to run diagonal. These are all very important. And lastly, flexibility will help to mobilize my athlete's joints. The least amount of tension in the body is desirable while playing.